You talked about the beasts, being able to connect with the beasts, and the idea that they're always in sync with Source.
Not always, but mostly.
Mostly.
They have much more propensity to it. In the 3 steps of 1, 2, 3, you ask, Source answers, and then you allow. The beasts are much better at allowing because they ask with more generalness and less specifics. Humans are stronger in the asking. That's why you are more powerful, deliberate creators. The animals, yes, they're asking, but they're asking in a more general content. And Source is answering, of course, but it's rare to find one not in the receiving mode. That's why humans call them instinctual. And that's what we've been sort of guiding you to today in talking about more impulsive, more following impulse, more following intuition, more following instinct.
So I have and have rescue dogs. I've got puppy mill dogs that have certain issues, certain problems, and other than me telling a different story, which is to see this dog through the eyes of what it means to look at a puppy mill dog, which I know I attempt to do on a regular basis, not see him for all those things.
The dog would like to say to you, hey man, I'm happy to be alive. Stop nitpicking over how it came about. If it were not for that, and the chicken that's going to be somebody's lunch today is telling you the same thing. That whatever reason there was to focus me into being, I've enjoyed being here and I'll be right back.
Boom.